If I were a student leader here in RSRM, I would want to bridge the gap between the authorities and the students. A good communication channel should always be maintained between the authorities and the students so that all the problems can be solved at ease and at the earnest. I would also like to make clubs and have more activities for the students in the evenings and on the weekends so that the students can enjoy and relax. They need to release their stress after the exams. There need to be more things like movies, small activities, cricket matches, football matches and everything so that their stress can be released. Why do students go out of a university to movies and all the other things? Because they don't have much of the activities to do here in the campus. So if we increase the number of activities in the campus, they'll not feel the need to go out of the campus and spend their time. They can spend their time in the campus, they can spend their time together, get to know each other and get to know the campus better. And I would also like to increase the number of facilities which are available in the hostel for the time pass and the entertainment of students. Okay, the other things which are very nice like water supply and everything else, but the things like the TT table, the pool table and everything is not there. There should be a computer room in each and every hostel so that a student, if in a case of emergency has to take a printout or anything else, he can just take it from the hostel and get his work done. And also the student and faculty relation in our college is like very sacred. The students are afraid of the faculty. I would like to remove that bridge so that the students can talk freely to the faculty about their projects, about their future and all the prospects and can benefit themselves.